Okay guys, I've got it figured out. So this is how my setup's going to be. The entrance right here, I'm gonna have like a shelf. So there's gonna be a closet type deal. The bottom half of the closet will be all my solar battery equipment. And the top will be just like a hanging locker. Stove is gonna get set into this. Shitter shower right off of that. This is going to be exactly where it's sitting, right beside the door, which is right there. Couch, refrigerator, right beside the. So that'll keep everything nice and open, right? So there'll be a couch here. Smaller couch here, washroom taking up 2 window spaces right there, and then a desk here so I can put my monitor mounted in front of the emergency exit. But yeah, this closet here, or sorry, this window here, might actually pull that out and block it in, because obviously it's going to be a hanging locker. So, but yeah, so I can mount once I get that insulated and sheathed all the way up. Can build that closet. Have to move my chair all the way back, and I believe to the end of the plywood there. Should be okay. Yeah, because the chair's back all the way right now. So, yeah. Cool. Oop. So that's my plan. Just got back from the hardware store. Absolute criminal. So I've got 8-gauge wire. Going to be running from 12 volt through a wire chase in the closet all the way. I got a wire chase there, so that's gonna come all the way back, and I'll be cutting a hole here somewhere. I'm gonna have like a box that goes all the way down, because obviously I'm gonna have like a little table about this high here, and then it'd be storage inside. But so I can run the wiring down to the fuse block I'm going to be putting in there, and then wiring can go all the way to the back, and then through this wall over to the other side for lighting. I bought some strip lighting. Yeah. So, and the reason that's not done yet, well, 2 reasons. One, pain in the ass, lazy. 2 is because that is where my air conditioner, my window air conditioner is going. And I'm going to be drilling holes out the back half of that window and putting a fan so it'll pull the hot air, because I'm going to box it in and it'll pull the hot air out. 2 holes, one at the top drawing air out, one at the bottom drawing cool air in. I thought about just cutting right through the back, but I don't want to do that. So we'll get her fine. Yeah, I think let's get some widescreen here. There we go. Okay, so I think that'll work out really well. So yeah, I think it'll work out great. Okay. back to 1. There we go. Alright guys, so yeah, got my good 8 gauge wire to run back there. Got my fuse block, so I just got to run the 8 gauge to this and then run everything else off of that, because I'm gonna have you know, a USB charger, stuff like that. I'm also gonna run my monitor off a 12 volt instead of like, it's gonna be 12 volt direct, because I have a little stand when I'm just using, let's say when I'm just using I don't want to fire up my computer because of the draw of the hydro. I can just use my phone with Samsung DeX with the monitor, and it only draws 40 watts charging my phone and running a computer monitor. So got to think about everything. But yeah, I had to use 8 gauge because of the distance I'm running. The voltage drop, it's going to draw much more amps. So with 8 gauge, if it's 30 feet up and back and down, I should be good for about 250 watts without the wire getting warm. So because the heater, it only draws 143 watts when the glow plugs are lit. After that, when it's running like it is now, it only draws 25 watts. So yeah, it's all the little things you got to think about, you know. So yeah, so LED lighting, you know, that's maybe 15 watts. Say I was charging 2 phones at the same time, that's another 30 watts. Start up my diesel heater, that's 150 watts. Running the TV, or the computer monitor, that's another 40 watts. So a lot of calculations you got to do to be safe with the electrical. But yeah, it's coming together. It's coming together. All right, cheers guys. Just an update. I'm gonna start fishing some wires, cut a hole, run the fuse block. So got to at least get some hydro back there, and because I need lighting. So this is a dimmable warm white. So I'm gonna be mounting those strips right on top of here, right across, and then the same right across there. Yeah, actually no, sorry, not on top, but right beside, because eventually there's going to be wood coming out from here going up to the ceiling, and I'm going to have upper cabinets there. So yeah, so basically the lighting is going to be attached right to the side here. All right, so that's where we're at. I literally just got here like 10 minutes ago, so wait until the bus warms up a bit. Gonna drink my coffee, have a smoke. Should be warm by then, and we're gonna have at her. Cheers.